Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll walk you through how to quickly copy values, columns, or entire tables using the Power BI desktop tool. This makes it easy to transfer data from Power BI into other applications such as Excel or PowerPoint. Let's get started. Starting from our Power BI dataset, we'll change our view from Report View to Table View by clicking here. Now, we can see our table much more clearly. In order to copy anything from our table, we'll right-click on it, go to Copy, and we can see the three options available, which are Value, Column, and Table. In this case scenario, we'll select the table to copy the entire table visual. If we open up Microsoft Excel and select a blank workbook, we can paste that same table into here by right-clicking and selecting the first paste option. It will paste our visual inside of Excel, and we can manipulate the data from there if needed. We can also paste this visual inside other applications such as Microsoft PowerPoint. If we open up PowerPoint, select Blank Presentation, delete these quick text boxes, right-click and select the first paste option, we can have our entire table inside of PowerPoint in a matter of seconds. We can then edit the table in PowerPoint if needed. And that's it! Copying and pasting data from Power BI into tools like Excel or PowerPoint is quick and easy, saving you time and making your reports more resourceful. Feel free to copy what you need from your tables and play around with the options. Thank you for watching this video on the BI Quick Tips series. For more information on BI, please visit our Help Files website. Until next time.